Okay guys, hello. It's our fourth day
Okay.
in CHEFCHAOUEN. We even learned how to say it correctly.
Yes.
It's CHEFCHAOUEN. And we are going today up there.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be an observatory.
Yes.
And we heard from the locals here that it used to be a synagogue, but now it's something that UNESCO is working on. We're not really sure. They say some kind of cultural thing. Anyway, when we got here, we thought there was no way to get there except with taxi, but apparently there's a very nice road to get there, which goes through the mountains up there, straight line to our observatory,
Yes, our destination.
our destination. So that's what we're going to do today. And on the way, we'll show you the beautiful sights and views of this mountainous region, which we may have said before, it's part of the Atlas Mountain. It is part of it, but this is called the Reef Mountain.
The Reef
This is the
Mountain.
Reef.
Okay.
Yes. And the Reef Jews supposedly built this city. Yeah, and we know the history. We talked about the blue, the Jews,
Yes.
the Muslims, but everybody here is incredibly nice. We did talk with locals about the Jewish heritage of this place. They're very proud of it. They're not trying to hide it.
That you can find it in the last names, no?
In their last names, yeah, you have a lot of people here that are today Muslims. They have a Jewish last name.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, guys. So we're going up, and
Intensive
we-
strolling.
we can show a little bit more of this, I think,
Yeah.
right?
The small doors.
Small doors. This is like Instagram, YouTube, whatever heaven. It doesn't really matter where you turn your camera.
Every single spot is a selfie spot. It's amazing.
All those small hobbit doors, they're incredible. And they are hobbit doors, right? Like hermits,
Yeah.
they said. Here, this is amazing. Guys, Lord of the Ring got nothing on this. The hobbits, they've got nothing on this. Look, this is a hobbit door. This is
Yes.
a hobbit door.
It is.
Amazing. Yeah, and this is real. This is not fiction.
And they even have like this.
Yeah. So the water here in CHEFCHAOUEN comes directly from the mountain. So this is like mineral water, and when you're here, you can drink this water. It's not like, don't do it in the rest of Morocco.
Yeah.
But-
here it's because
but
you
here-
are directly taking it from the source. Incredibly cold.
Yeah, it is incredibly cold. But people do go up to the here, take this. People do go up to the big waterfall and take a swim, even though it's frozen. But those are Canadians and
Yeah, they're not afraid of the cold.
of the cold. Okay, guys, so we'll sign off here, and we'll continue when we're a bit higher. Also, because people here don't really like being videoed, so we try always to turn the camera the other way. That's why you get a bit more selfies from Morocco than we would like to,
Yes.
because we really want you to see everything. Oh,
Here
this is the cafe,
coffee,
no?
Coffee culture, no?
This is
where
where-
they make coffee.
Okay, this is where our friend is, no?
Yes.
Okay, there's somebody who showed us around yesterday, and he told us that this is his family's. So we'll come back later and have a little talk with him. We might video it. We'll see how interesting it's going to be.
Hey, you can see part of the walls, the ancient walls over there.
Yeah, yeah. The city used to have a wall around it, and you can see parts of it in different parts of the city. So up there you have parts of the wall. Just listen how relaxing this is. The water going through
This sound is amazing. You can meditate at any spot here.
Most definitely. And they do also the laundry here. Yeah, they do the laundry here. Because when they do the laundry in this part, it's free. They don't need to pay for the water or electricity or anything. And that's how mountain people do it. Okay guys, we have a little bit of extreme strolling ahead of us. So we're going to have to say goodbye for now, get the baby up there, and we'll see you when we're a bit more up.
Yes, when there is a little bit more of streets instead of stairs.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, we made it not up, but up the stairs. So last time we talked to you, we were somewhere down there, and we walked up the stairs to bring the baby up here.
I'm trying to catch my breath.
Now this here is the lower waterfall. They call it a waterfall. It's not very impressive. It has water. It does have small waterfalls. They do laundry here, and the water is very cold, very good, nice for drinking. But that's here. It's called Ras Alma, I think. This is the Medina, the old Medina is here.
And that's the entrance over there.
And you can see the wall. Yeah, the wall over here with the entrance. And so this is the old Medina. If you keep going, it leads you to the Kasbah. And now we're going up to the observatorium. Hopefully there won't be any more steps, so we can just walk. Bonjour.
Hard work.
No pain, no gain. Okay, so apparently we're going to have a few more people walking with us, which is always nice.
Yes.
Right? Okay, guys. So we'll walk with you a little bit.
Wow, the view
Show you the view.
through here is already amazing.
Yes, it is. Now, it is recommended to go either early in the morning, which is not now. Now it's about 10.
Yes.
Or at night, or in the evening. Between 12 and 5, not recommended at all, because it is extremely hot and you'll probably regret trying to make it at that hour. Okay, so we'll go around the corner just to see what's there. CHEFCHAOUEN. So I think that if you're in Morocco, CHEFCHAOUEN is a must visit, no?
Yes.
Right?
It is.
Yeah.
Definitely. Well, we extended our visit.
Okay, so I think that's good enough, no? Okay guys, we'll say goodbye here, and of course if there's anything interesting on the way we'll show it to you, but we're definitely going to show you when we get to the observatory.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that an olive tree? This one? I think, no?
No, that's not an, I'm not sure. No, it's not, that's not an olive tree. No, no, it's the one that looks similar, but it's not.
Oh, the falls, yeah. We could hike on the top of the falls. Yeah.
Another view of the city from another angle, a little bit higher, I think. So a little panoramic view.
The mountains. You get this feeling that you can almost just stretch your arm and reach them.
No. It's very rocky up there. I'm not sure you can do a push-up. Here it's not bad. There it's
Morocco.
lots of rock. Good.
Yeah, we're used to extreme strolling.
You're better than I am.
We made it up to the observatory.
It was, what, maybe 40 minutes walk?
It was, yeah, about half an hour, 40 minutes walk. If you're in shape like us, it should take you a lot less if you're not with a baby and a stroller.
Yeah.
I think that if you are with a baby, you should leave the stroller behind, yeah. And we have the stroller with us because, like always, we learned the hard way, right? There isn't a better way to learn than the hard way to learn. Yeah, that way you remember forever, more or less. Okay, but it was worth it because look how beautiful this is. Look at the
Yes,
mountains.
wow.
There's the cemetery.
Yeah.
And over there is
So this is the
big-
cemetery.
The cemetery. One of them.
One of
because
them. Yeah, there.
There's more than one.
Okay, so here we are. This is the observatory. So yesterday we talked to one of the locals and he said that this used to be a synagogue. I don't know. I tend to believe him because he wasn't trying to sell anything. He wasn't trying to get anything special out of us, like for being tourists. He just walked with us, gave us information. He told us how to get here yesterday, but it was in the afternoon. Don't go do this walk during the afternoon. It's too difficult and quite dangerous actually from the heat. But during the morning it's nice, and in the evening it's nice as well. We just didn't want to come back to the city when it's dark. So this way we'll come back during the afternoon. Okay. So if this was a synagogue, it was quite a small synagogue, not a very big one. Let's see, can we see anything here? I don't know if you can see anything. Okay. So he said that this used to be old synagogue, and UNESCO is going to try and is planning on doing something with it, like a kind of a museum, a heritage center, a cultural center, something of that sort. Right now it's only an observatory, there's nothing here. If you forget to buy water or something on the way, there are a few shops on the way up, even two very near to here, so you don't need to panic. If you get hot, sweaty and you want to drink, they do sell water up here, so that's fine. Okay, I'll give you one last panoramic view of this beautiful place. Okay guys, CHEFCHAOUEN 2019. I hope you enjoy it. We are. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like and comment. It's very important for us. We need your support. And even if you don't want to subscribe, that's okay as well. As long as you enjoy what you're seeing and following our videos, that's also great. Okay guys, hope you're having fun. Bye.